Hey, my name is Kalam. In this video, I'm going to show you how to exactly make money from YouTube only copy paste work. So if you are beginner, no matter because this video great for beginner level. So at first I'm going to social blade. Then this person get 554 millions views per month. This person get 110 millions views per month. This person get 238 millions views per month. This person make this person got 390 millions views per month. Can you imagine? Because this person only upload only copy paste work. Basically, this person the reaction video only for reaction video, and this video I'm going to share how to exactly create those type of video and make money from YouTube. And this channel already verified because YouTube allow a reaction video. So I'm going to youtube.com, then example of I'm copy example of this video and copy. Then you go to canva.com. Canva is absolutely free video and photo editing software. You can start right now. This link I will attach in description below. Please check it. Then type YouTube Shorts. Sorry, YouTube Shorts. Here is a millions of free template here. So I choose a blank. And upload your download YouTube video. Then mute original sound because copyright issue. Then type then here type and expect. It's actually appreciates the original creators. Expect. Then put your original your reaction. And I need to short because 1.5 1.2. This video ready for upload on YouTube and Facebook and Instagram. So download. You need to download for MP4 video format.